Hi everyone, this is Pavan Sharma. I'm sure you are watching this video, so I assume that you are a trader. And almost every day you trade in stock market. From 9:15 to 3:30, you are into stock market. And most of the time, as a trader, as a new trader, I would say, you end up losing when you end your day. Have you ever thought that why it happens? And that too very frequently also. One of the main reasons is over trading. Over trading means you are taking unnecessary trades which are not required. Let's say you start your day at 9:30, that means leaving first 15 minutes as buffer. So you start trading by 9:30, looking at all the if birds, the trend and everything. And you are right on your part. You have done the absolutely you can say fabulous analysis, and you are in a very good profit by 11:30. After 11:30, whatever trade you took are going against you, and by 3:15 you end up losing from your pocket. Forget about the profit. Second scenario is you start your day, maybe one or two trades like they just went against you, and then you tried really very hard to recover your losses, and as a good trader you recovered them also. But when the broker bill came, you found that you actually paid a very good amount, very big amount from your pocket to broker also, and that too again is just because of over trading. So in this video guys, we are going to talk about the dark side, the side effect of over tradings, and why should we avoid over trading at any cost. And friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, first of all please go ahead and subscribe. That way you can support me a lot, and do not forget to press the bell icon, and only then just move on with the video. Let's start with it. When we talk about over trading, it simply means that you are taking trades which are not required. Okay, the first thing is when you take a lot of trades, then as you can see from this video, it says that burnout and stress. First of all, stock market itself is a very, you can say, hectic or a very kind of profession where you have extreme pressure on your head. You have to take quick decision, you have to take really good decision, and that too in a very less time, or maybe you just have to take this and now you have to go for buy, now you have to go for sell, and immediately after 15 minutes you have to exit the next trade. So that gives you a lot of stress. So when you take a lot of trades, then you actually burn out yourself, and you actually increase your stress level also. So if you are in over trading, then these are the gift which you will get. By the end of the day, I would say just in between like by 11:30, 12 o'clock also, you'll start feeling that you are not in a good mood, you are a bit irritated, you don't feel like eating anything, and there are so many other emotions which you can recognize that okay, it happens with me, and that's just because of one simple reason. Over trading actually put in you a stage where you burn yourself, and it puts you in a very extreme stress. Then we have is financial loss. As we said that you are in a loss, that loss was maybe 100, 200, 500 rupees, and you tried really very hard to recover that loss, maybe 2000 also. By the end of the day, you tried recovering that 2000 rupees, but you end up paying 2000 as a brokerage. So broker are always happy that you just do whatever, just keep on do trading, one trade after then one another, then one another. So they always push you to take a lot of trades, because with every trade they will generate a lot of brokerage. But you as a trader must understand, you should not take more than 2 or 3 trades in a day, and if you are taking more than that, then actually you are putting yourself in a edge where you will start losing money from your pocket also. Then the next one will be lack of focus. Let's say you do your analysis, as we do the analysis a day before. As per the analysis, you found the level of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and you have 3 or 4 stocks, banking stocks and realty, pharma and IT, and you are ready with your trading setup. Absolutely no glitch, nothing. When the market start, you are in a very good profit also, and suddenly after that profit, you took one trade which was not part of your watch list, and that went in your loss. Then you get irritated, and then what you will do to recover that loss, you will take another trade, maybe from the same stock or maybe from a different stock, and then another, and that way you will lose focus from your entire setup. You are not following the setup now. What you are doing is you're just gambling with the market, and gambling, you know, that is the worst thing in stock market. So once you step in, the moment you step in over trading, then you lose your focus, you lose your entire setup, and after that you cannot make money. Please make sure that. After that, lack of strategies. We just discussed in the last part also. Once you are into over trading, trust me, you cannot focus, you cannot follow your strategy. Then your mind will say only one thing: either you are after recovering your losses, or either you are like, I need more, I need more. You are into a very good profit, maybe 5% of your capital, you are in a very good profit, 5%, a very big amount. You must understand that most of the trader do get 5% in one entire month, and you have just earned that in the last 1 hour. Instead of booking that profit and exiting the market for the day, you actually want more. You want 10%, you want 20%, you want 50%, and that way you actually are not following your setup. You are putting everything aside and you are focusing on more and more. And after that, what will happen? You just know that. You must have experienced in your past also that what you are doing is you are losing focus of your entire setup. So lack of strategy is also another you can say a reason which comes after over trading. Then we have exposure to risk. Earlier you were just in a loss of like 2 or 3 trades, and as per the setup you must be in a loss of 5%. That's the maximum loss we can expect. And of course, if you are following your trade setup. What will happen after that? After that, you have taken another trade, another 2%, another trade, another trade, another trade, 1, 2, 5, 10. First of all, you are losing in every trade. You are not focusing on your stock selection, you are not focusing on your strategies, and you are also paying a lot of brokerage to the broker. So the risk increases with every trade you are taking. And you must have understand combination, permutation also, the probability. The more trade you will take, the more exit entries you will do, you actually increase the exposure of the risk, and that happened just because of one word: over trading. Then missed opportunity. I was focusing on IT by 9:30, 9:35. I knew that IT is going to rise today, or maybe banks is going to rise today. What happened? I was just focusing on that particular part. By 10 o'clock, one of my trade goes against me. So what I will do? I will try every possible way to recover that. And maybe I might not look at the IT or bank sector at all, because now I am not trading. The moment I set everything aside, I have actually started doing gambling. And because of that, I will not focus on things which actually would have worked for me, and I will miss a lot of opportunity in that gambling. So this will also happen if you are into over trading. And guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel, that way you can support me a lot, and then you can move with the video. Then overconfidence. Oh wow, I took first trade and that is in profit. Then I took second trade. You see that? The second trade is also giving me a very good profit. I took third trade. Wow, today I am king. I know my analysis will work. Whatever trade I will take today, no one can beat me, and I will double my money by end of the day. And that's it. Rest is history, you know that. Overconfidence actually at times push you to in a habit of over trading, because you don't understand that there is a time to exit also. You need to exit the market after a certain period, maybe after a particular amount which you have focused, which you have already you can say defined for yourself, and once that done, please exit. But overconfidence at times pushes you to do over trading, and in over trading, once again, you will lose everything whatever you have earned. So please stay away. Then loss of discipline. Once you are in a very good mood, you make a lot of promises. Once you are in a very bad mood, you make a lot of promises, and both of the conditions are harmful. You must have seen in your personal life also. Same thing happens here also. When you are in a very good profit, you feel overconfident, you will keep on doing a lot of trades. If you are lucky enough, You will be like in a very good position by the end of the day. But that's one day. Next day, you will have that same zeal and the same overconfidence, and then next day you might lose everything what you have earned in the last day, and you might end up paying from your pocket also. Okay, so stay disciplined. Stock market is all about discipline. If you have the setup with you, and if you follow your setup with a complete discipline, no one can throw you out from the market. And once you are into over trading, then you will not follow the discipline. You will lose that, and I don't know what will happen. The rest, you know that it will lead you, it will give you nothing but losses. Then we have strained relationship. That's my favorite. This is my favorite one. Why? Because actually I have learned from this. In my initial journey, in my initial trading journey, and I have also given the same advice to my students also who have attended my seminars, that most of the time I keep on shouting on my spouses and my family members. They are not involved in trading at all. They don't know what I'm going through. They don't have any concern regarding my work. But whenever I do over trading, whenever I'll be in stress, whenever I will be like, you are completely, you are like, just after each and every trade, you are winning. So that overconfidence also will not let you listen to anybody. So all these things will kill your relationships also. Have a peace of mind. Stay calm. Relax. And once you are relaxed, look out what your family, because what you are doing is for them only, na? So understand their needs also. And just by removing over trading from your setup, you can save your relationship. You can actually build a lot of new one also. Guys who are single, time consuming. You can end your trading by 11:30, maybe by 12 o'clock. But over trading will keep you engaged till 3:15, at times 3:30 also. And most of the people, I have seen this one, I am not joking, I have seen that after market hours, they indulge into commodities. Now they are into trading till 11:30 in the night also. It's very time consuming. So stay out from all these things, save your time, trade 1 or 2 or maybe 3 trades in a day, relax, come back next day, and you will see a lot of good things will start happening to you. You will be in profit, you will be in a very good mood, your health will be good, your relationships are also good, and your bank balance also very good. That is increasing. Okay. And guys, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, and Twitter. And most importantly, do not forget to follow me on YouTube. I'll see you into my next video, guys. Until then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.